delegate election. 110% I stand by it.
Okay.
Akoma FM 87.9
Approach SSA Osisano depending on the circumstance. But what you say?
Yeah.
And nay. And you know about contest election. When them delegates ningina enti some year 208,000 as 200,000.
Yeah.
Ubetimi akobi anaswana.
Baby.
And so be our phone. Be our phone. And there must be an approach to connect with them. About what you say. And you cannot, under any circumstance, leave potential voters at bay.
Yeah.
And connect with them when it's getting closer to elections. That point must well be made.
Okay.
Obama, Barack Hussein Obama, became a senator for just one term.
Yeah.
He won against Mrs. Clinton, an established, formidable woman and a politician. The former lady of United States of America, Bill Clinton. And one thing that I liked about Mrs. Clinton was Bill Clinton running into difficulties with that lady. What's her name? Monica Lewinsky and all of that. And the way that woman came to defend the husband, I said, hey, a man also so this is my point. And you know what? It's happening. Our friend is saying Joe Biden.
Yeah.
Barack Obama nowhere near Joe Biden in terms of Joe Biden's political involvement and experience in Democratic Party. You get it? But when the charismatic Obama emerged and connected with the people, now a very good story. And what kind of story in and I'm using the words of Mrs. Clinton. Was it Obama had the story and he had the communication flair, to communicate it. And the man catching the entire America. What happened? Obama swept the votes internally. Went ahead, swept the vote. Okay. Yanunti, yeah, conservative approach, and MPP is a typical conservative party.
Yeah.
Yes, it is true. What do you say? But we have to be able to leapfrog. We have to be able to lift the game. Not yet political dynamism, not yet fitting into the equation.
Okay.
To be very honest with you, if and it's not something that I want to go in, but say me throw essay, na me essay no, dear me can be no if I do be a yemi. But me admit what I also perhaps did not do right. O platform yes yeah. O platform we here so. Me kasafa Chief Alan ho. Na Chief Alan member no ha near communicating. Was we I will come and take you. I'm here that's the way I am. Kennedy Japan Crawford emra ye kwato aba no Ken University. One say Alan you Kennedy winning away aba be foul. Why is that? I cannot pride myself, but my approach is not antagonistic. Facts are sacred. Chief record Ministry of Trade. Na any kwan say a warrant se wo beka say anhwe ya MPP 2024 omunya message. It was not necessary. Obia na all guiding no when the communication. No. He didn't do that. Person didn't do his work well. And I felt Chief technically has shot himself on the foot.
I see.
Yes. I said it here.
Yeah.
On this platform.
Yeah.
I didn't make us. If it's an yetimidi or no ministry no under him.
A campaign.
A typical election 2024.
87.9.
126 factories, whether they are green or yellow or black. 126 factories. compare with any regime. Saying that abuse established here. It happened under Alan. I call him Chief Alan. That's easier for me. And it shows a lot of respect. What does he? So why would you contemplate for a second to say I'm here message? Number two, I created 160,000 plus jobs.
Akoma FM.
And remember, job creation is critical.
Yeah.
Exactly. So if you have a story of leading a policy, I created 160,000 plus jobs on record. I'll bet you are defended anywhere. To say I'm here party no kwa on your message. It's not right. Again, under Chief Alan, Ghana stayed positive trade balance for 5 consecutive years. 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021. It's only 2022. And you're going to negative trade balance.
Yeah.
So you restore back to positive. So it was not right. Oh, at the end of the day, free one because I was so angry, kakra. And you know what trouble? There is nowhere he perhaps admitted. Say, oh, a business one not me maybe also at my shady. And for me, that was not a balanced approach. Okay. Again, Africa Continental Free Trade Arrangement.
Akoma FM.
Okay.
87.9 Kumasi.
Started under Papa Kufuor through Mills Mahama.
Okay.
And finally, Professor Mills back on the crusade to have the Continental Free Trade headquarters to Ghana. Nana Kufuor came to complete it.
Okay.
But Africa Continental Free Trade Area also happened under
wrap up on this rebuttal. Wrap up for another full time.
Again. Mama Hilda is an experienced politician.
Yeah.
From Kwame Nkrumah to date, election bien wa obekwa. Asem baako mienu bi entouchma ewo baby.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
But you know nullify the entire resource and the entire process.
Okay.
What you say?
Yeah. I agree with you.
Sure. If you had 0 in 18 constituencies in the northern region, 0 in 6 constituencies in northeast, 1 in Savannah region, 7 constituencies, 1 in upper east, I don't know exactly the number of constituencies, and then 4 in upper west.
Kumasi.
Come to your home region, Ashanti. 118 votes, 10. With Dr. Mahmoud we are hitting 87. Now, say, share this resource. It's absolutely unthinkable. All right? For chief to claim, and given the number of people, say, is skewed.
Okay.
All right.
Me that's it.
Mami, end with this.
And na mama mrem na fe. Yeah.
End with this. There's so much of it. But
okay. No, we have enough time.
So, enti that candid admission. Ni campaigners, those who were spokespersons for his campaign, also did a lot of damage to his campaign.
Okay. My member na bra be chichiri mo. Mami nwie ma held na I'll come back to you fully.